What's going on, crypto people? So the crypto markets are starting to tank right now. Everyone is wondering what's going on, with the Ethereum ETF trading live. A lot of positive market sentiment around the Ethereum ETF inflows, as well as the Bitcoin ETF inflows, and a lot of different things that are taking place around cryptocurrency in general. And right now, everyone's wondering, should you be buying altcoins? Should you not be buying altcoins? What exactly should you be doing? Well, I want to talk about it in today's episode. Before we jump into it though, if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. I'm just a beginner in the crypto space, showing you guys my wins, my losses, crypto portfolio, my perspective, and everything else in between. But let's jump into it. So guys, altcoins and everything have been pumping really crazy. Everyone's talking about how altcoin season is in the midst. This has everyone wondering, what's going on with the price action in the markets? Why is everything kind of tanking? Well, I saw a great post by Miles Dutcher. If you guys aren't following Miles Dutcher, you should go follow him, go check him out. But he pretty much talked about when the Bitcoin ETF launched and the dip that we pretty much saw once it took place. And basically what's going on with the Ethereum ETF is almost exactly the same of what was going on with the Bitcoin ETF. And we pretty much have like, a 50-day process of, when everything starts to dip. And then from there we see a huge gradual increase just based off of the price action, just because of, all the inflows, the price action around the ETF and everything else in the crypto markets. Well, honestly, right now, guys, is an opportunity, a time to jump into the altcoins that you are really committed into, and the ones that are going to do crazy stuff this bull run. A few of my projects in my crypto portfolio are honestly down. They honestly had some crazy rallies though currently from where they're at right now. Some of them went up 100%, 160%. So this pullback is honestly a time where you can start to double down on your positions and just get more at a better price. With that post with Miles Dutcher, after around that 50-day process, we start to see new all-time highs for Bitcoin, Ethereum, once these assets start to get that traction. And that's what you should really be focused on right now. I know everyone's really focused on their altcoins and the price action around those, but you should really be seeing the past events that have took place and compare them to right now to determine when in the next few weeks we are going to see that crazy price action. And once Bitcoin and Ethereum start to see that huge jump up, that next leg up, that's when we see our altcoins do a huge pump. But until we see that reversal start to take place, we aren't going to see a big change in our altcoins. Determine on the altcoins that you're invested in really determines the success that you're currently seeing. Right now, one of the new meme coins I talked about, Beep, on this YouTube channel, it actually has a new CEX listing, and it honestly has a ton of positive action around it, especially with the community, the charts around it, and everything else. So honestly, depending on the sectors you're in really determines the success that you're seeing right now in the crypto markets. Another great post from Miles Dutcher shows that the meme sectors are just consistently outperforming everything else in the crypto sectors, and there's a lot of meme coins consistently dropping. There's a ton of FUD around them as well, so you have to really do your due diligence and navigate this space and figure out what is the best bet for your investing in these meme coins. Altcoins at the end of the day are going to see a crazy rip once Ethereum starts to retrace, and Bitcoin as well. But we start to see that dip every time we see a big event like this happen, and you honestly need to understand that, and from there take advantage of these times so that you can get your coins at a better price. Right now, with everything that's going on so close to the election, as well as with the ETF trading live and everything else based off of the previous actions around the Bitcoin ETF and kind of what's going to be happening in the next few weeks, I honestly see a ton of potential, and I'm going to be looking for new coins to jump into. One of the new meme coins I jumped into was Mr. Miggles. I honestly have been seeing a lot of positive sentiment in crypto Twitter around this project. They're doing new things, getting new listings. On top of that, just bringing a whole bunch of new people into the space, and I'm really pumped to see exactly what this meme project is going to do, as well as a few other meme projects that I'm jumping into. If you guys aren't following Altcoin Mo, you guys should go check him out. He talks about a few meme coins that are really popping off right now, and the different risk associated with these coins, basing from not so risky to super risky. But if you're jumping into super risky coins, that's where you can get that 50 to 100x potential. If you're getting into coins that aren't as risky, then you have that 5 to 10x to 20x potential. But it all varies on your risk tolerance and what you're trying to achieve this bull run. Me, at the end of the day, I'm trying to 10x my net worth. You should really have an idea of what you're trying to do, the amount of money you're jumping into, and the entry points and exit points you have for each coin. If you look at my crypto portfolio, I have Brett, Dexter Network, Hash AI, different coins around the meme and AI sector. And I already have price predictions on these coins, when I will be exiting, and so on and so forth. But now I'm just doing research on crypto Twitter, as well as what everyone's talking about, what these projects are currently doing, and determining when I am going to be exiting. Right now, guys, is the setup, is the time for everyone that is getting into altcoins to figure out the best position for your buck and pretty much how to get the most out of this bull run. You need to keep up with these events, keep up with the news that's taking place in the crypto markets, and really determine your next steps and how you're really going to maximize in this crypto bull run. As I said, I'm a beginner in the crypto space, showing you guys my wins, my losses, and pretty much showing you guys my crypto portfolio and, you know, the potential that I have behind it. We won't really see it until the next few weeks, you know, once Ethereum starts to see that retrace, as well as Bitcoin, and overall our altcoins can have the liquidity that they need. But guys, it's all going to come in due process. And if you're not taking advantage of times right now when everyone's fighting, when everyone's worrying about the red in the market and everything that's going on, you're really going to miss out. You know, you could really have a 20 to 30x, but you know, if you wait for all this to take place, you miss out and you only get like a 5x. So it all varies on your risk tolerance, what you're trying to achieve, the sectors that you're focusing on, as well as, you know, the news events taking place in the markets. But I'm going to keep you guys updated on everything that's taking place in the crypto markets, as well as show you guys my crypto portfolio, when I'm selling, and everything else in between. But if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. I'm just a beginner in the crypto space, showing you guys my wins, my losses, my crypto portfolio, my perspective on the space, and everything else in between. I've never really been here for an actual crypto pump for altcoins, so I'm really committed and really anxious to see what's possible. I've already made a good amount of money with my crypto portfolio, but everyone's talking about how the point where we make stupid gains, life-changing wealth, is going to be coming up in the next few months. So I'm really committed, guys. I hope that you got a bag and you're committed as well. But we'll be seeing, you know, what happens in the next few weeks, next few months after the presidential election, and, you know, everything else with Ethereum, Bitcoin, and all that good stuff. But like I said, if you're new to the channel, check out the rest of my content. Drop me a comment, drop me a like, subscribe. I love showing you guys my perspective on the markets, my portfolio, and overall just getting y'all's perspective on my content, what I'm producing, and everything else. But I drop daily content every day, so hopefully I see you guys tomorrow, but I'll see you guys then. I just honked my horn so people are looking at me because I'm in a parking lot, but hopefully I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.